Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Forest on a low-end PC. First, dive into the in-game graphics settings. Set everything to its absolute lowest. This includes textures, shadows, and foliage. Next, significantly reduce your screen resolution. Try a resolution like 1280 by 720 pixels. Finally, disable VSync and anti-aliasing to gain a few extra frames per second. These initial steps are crucial for a smoother experience. Beyond the in-game menu, you can achieve further optimization by editing the game's configuration files. Locate the graphic CFG file, usually found in your app data folder. Here, you can manually lower shadow quality and draw distance even more than the game allows. Also, look for options to disable specific visual effects such as motion blur or bloom. Be careful when editing these files and always make a backup first. Optimizing your system is just as important as in-game settings. Ensure your graphics drivers are updated to the latest stable version from NVIDIA or AMD. This can provide significant performance boosts. Close all unnecessary background applications, like web browsers or chat programs, to free up valuable RAM and CPU resources. Finally, open Task Manager, find the Forest process, and set its priority to high for dedicated system resources. While software tweaks help, hardware plays a vital role. First, confirm your PC meets the game's minimum system requirements, which typically include 4 GB of RAM and a dedicated graphics card. If possible, upgrading your RAM to 8 or even 16 GB can make a huge difference. Lastly, ensure your computer stays cool. Overheating can cause your system to slow down, leading to frustrating frame rate drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.